So we're gonna check this one out too. Here in the back of the tow behind is like a little den, almost like for the kids to come here and do bunk beds and stuff, and they have their own TV and could be back here hanging out by themselves, which is super cool for them. All right, you're gonna see the bathroom first. What do you think? I can definitely imagine myself after a day of doing whatever, trail walking or hiking or visiting a site, and coming in for the day and putting on a nice little fire and watching a show or relaxing with a hot tea. What a lovely place.